Welcome back, watch addicts. Today my watchgang black tier watch has arrived. So let's get down to it. Let's see what we've got today. Let's open it up. Oh, before I forget, I almost forgot again. Wearing my Orient M-Force diver. Lovely watch. Anyway, let's get back to this. See what we've got inside here. Claim your free gift, seriously. Let's scan that. Right, let's see what we've got. All tucked away. Down there. Oh, what's this? Cortebert. Oh, Cortebert. Cortebert are a very long-standing watch company, or used to be. I know they got took over off somebody else. So they used to make movements for Rolex and was it AP, I think. But anyway, let's have a look and see what we've got. Now for $99, I don't think this is going to be one of the expensive ones. Oh, look at this. Oh, take a look at that. Oh, what's he got here? Oh, let's get this off. Get a better picture. Oh, it's ticking. So obviously it's a quartz movement. I believe these are a Japanese movement. Cortebert, you know, French, but they were made in Switzerland. But I know they don't make the watches now in Switzerland. Well, I don't think they do. But no, this has got a Japanese movement in it. Because I've heard of Cortebert before. What have we got? Oh, we've got in a rotating bezel. Obviously that's not going to move. We've got in a rotating bezel. Is it a screw down crown? No, it's not a screw down crown. Get a bit of light on that. So we've got a chronograph. Got your date. I'm not quite sure what colour this is. Is it black or is it blue? It looks like a slate grey. Well, that does look nice. So what have we got? Screw down case back. So, roll this all over it. See if we can get this off. See what let's do. Oh, milled clasp, not a press clasp. It's a bit better. So are the lugs solid end links or not? No, they're not. They're not solid end links. Well, they don't look like solid end links. I don't think they are actually. But it doesn't really matter because the strap's going to be coming off. I think this will probably go nice with a leather strap, white piping, and white stitches down either side, or maybe on either side of that. I might have some actually. Might have one. Probably got one anyway. So this is quite a big watch. See if that works. Oh, so you got your your hundredths of a second or tenths of a second are in two sections, two parts to it. Nice. Bit of a judder like, but yeah, it's working fine. Let's get this light a bit over here instead. Well, that is a very nice watch. I know Cortebert were, oh god, they've been around since the late 1700s. Yeah, but I don't think this is part and parcel of their watchmaking. I'd have to check on that, because I know they did. I think either they went under or they just stopped making them. Not quite sure. But I think these have actually got a Japanese movement in them. Oh, look at that on the back as well. You can see that on the back. The case back, it's got little dials on the back as well. That's quite good, that. So, clasp is quite firm. Nice. So I'll tell you what, let's see what it's like on the wrist. Let's take this off. It's a big chunky watch. I've still got all the wrapping on it and everything. So what do you think of that then? That nice, or is that nice? Is it worth the £120? I'd say so, definitely. I'll have to find out how much these are. Because I know vintage Cortebert are in the thousands. Well, that's a nice watch. It's a rather big watch. It'll look nice with the what's his name, with the leather strap on. As you know, I don't like the metal bracelets, but that's a good watch. That will be getting some wrist time. Thank you, watch gang. And it's not green, which makes a change. So that is my March Black Tier watch. Very happy. Oh, right, I'll tell you what I did get. Now I have got, for the same, well, it's actually less than the same price as what the watch gang cost me. I think I only paid, now this is the Spinnaker SP 5005. Then you've got 300 meters water resistant, screw down crown on it. I know it's a quartz movement, but it's a very nice watch. And believe it or not, that cost me less than £120. That's what you can get for £120. And that's what you can get for £120. Both very nice watches. Well, I've got to say, I am really liking this watch. Thanks, watch gang. Anyway, check out my other videos if you want to see videos from January, February, well, all the way back to September last year. I've even done a state of the collection, so you can actually see nearly all my watches I've got. I don't show a lot of them. Don't like showing my high-priced watches, but you'll see most of them on my videos. And I've done a 6 months review. This is number 7th month. I will be going all the way up to 12 months, probably carry on. By then I'll probably have 200 watches by then. But this is my March black tier watch. By the way, if you want to join watchgang, click on my link below and get 50 watchgang points. They'll go to the wheel spins. If you check out my wheel spins, you'll see some really nice watches that you can get on there. Very good price for the money. But that is a really nice watch. Anyway, stay safe, look after yourselves, keep watching, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all soon.